Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to find the midpoint of given coordinates. Alright, so question 1 here. We've been given the coordinates. It's 1, 2, then another one, -1 and comma 2 close. Alright, so the first digit here is for the x-axis, the second for the y. The first x, second y. Alright, so the formula for finding the midpoint of given coordinates is midpoint MP, open brackets, x1 minus x2, comma, y1 minus y2 over 2 over 2. Alright, so let's get into calculations. Alright, so we can see here that midpoint, open, let's open our brackets, x1, this is x1, let's even put there 1, x2, y2, y1. Alright, so the midpoint there is x1, we get the digit there, that's 1, minus x2. x2 is -1, close, over 2, comma. Go on the second one. y1, that's 2, minus y2. y2 is 2, over 2, close. So midpoint will be equal to negative times negative 1. Negative times negative is positive 1, comma. Negative, so positive 2 minus negative 2 is 0 over 2 over 2, close. So go down, midpoint is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 over 2, comma, 0 over 2. Alright, so the midpoint will be equal to, you make these things enter inside, so the denominator will enter into the numerator, so 2 into 1, 2 into 2 is 1, sorry, then the denominator into 0, it's 0. So this is a midpoint of a given of these two given coordinates. So or given like this. So these digits are found here. That's 1, 0. This is the midpoint of the two coordinates. Alright, let's go to the second question. We have -3, 1, open, -4, -2. Alright, for us to find the midpoint in our second question, we'll have to go back again to the same steps. So it will be midpoint, open brackets, x1 minus minus 2 minus x2, comma, y1 y2, right, over 2 over 2. So midpoint will be equal to, so let's put our x. This is x, this is a y-axis, this is the x-axis, this is a y-axis. This is 1 1 1 2 2. Alright, the reason why we're doing this, we don't want to get confused or anything like that. So the reason why we're putting 1 2 2, well, the reason why we're putting this ones is to identify where we're going to put them. Alright, so we have the midpoint there is negative 3 minus x2, that's negative 4 over 2, comma, y1 is 1 minus y2 is negative 2. Alright, I hope we're all going at the same percent rate. Alright, so the midpoint will be equal to alright, so let's start calculating now. Negative times negative, answer is positive, right? Negative 3 positive 4, comma, negative times negative, positive, over 2. Alright, so the midpoint, sorry, this is the midpoint, will be equal to, alright. So when we go on the number line, where we trying to let's take 3 to the negative side, so negative 3. Alright, we've taken it. Then let's take positive 4 from negative 3 to the positive side, so the answer will be 1, positive 1. Yeah, so 1 plus positive 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2 over 2. Alright, this is our answer. Alright, you can either leave it like this, or if you want to, you can make the denominator enter into the numerators. But if a question is given like this, it's better you just leave it like this for to avoid misunderstanding. Alright, let's go to the last example. Alright, number 3. Let's go to number 3. Coordinates, that's 2, negative 1, negative 4, 3. Alright, so the formula, we go back again. We write the formula here. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus, oh sorry for that. Midpoint equal to x1 negative x2 y1 negative y2 over 2 over 2. Open your brackets. So it'll be midpoint. So it'll be midpoint. The midpoint will be equal to. So we do the same here. It'll be x1. Then it will be y1 x2 y2. Alright, then we put these digits here. Alright, you able to see them? I hope so. So we put 2 minus x2 is negative 4, comma, put a y here, that's y1, so we get the coordinates negative 1 minus, we get y2 is 3, so over 2. Alright, so the midpoint equal to positive, negative times negative, it's positive 4 2, right, minus 2, comma, that's when you go to the number line, when the both negative signs are, and when the both signs are negative, you just have to add them. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So put the negative sign, so it'll be negative 4 over 2. Alright? Alright. Go down. Midpoint will be equal to 456 over 2 comma negative 4 over 2. Alright? So the midpoint will be equal to, alright, so the midpoint 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 3. Alright, 2 into negative 4 is negative 2. Alright. Alright. I hope you're able to see these digits well. Alright. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, you can leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mush Mix World. Alright. So the whole concept here is for you to get the formula. There are different this formula can really confuse you, so just master it. Master that to the right, sorry, to the left, x, to the right, y. Alright, just put 1 2 1 2 both sides over 2. Alright, thanks a lot. Ciao.